You can transform a gum wrapper into a charming heart without scissors or glue. It helps to use a stick of gum with a long rectangular shaped wrapper. Brands like Wrigley's or Extra are good options. Start by removing the gum and laying the wrapper flat. Next, fold the wrapper lengthwise, matching the long sides together. Then smooth it back out and fold each side towards the middle crease. Shape the corners to form a V at the top. Do the same with the bottom corners, then fold the wrapper in half so the two V points meet at the center. Unfold the wrapper and orient it horizontally so the V points are on the left and right. Using the center crease as a guide, fold the right side up so that the V point is vertical. This will create a point at the bottom of the wrapper. Crease that fold to keep it in place. Repeat this process on the left side, so both sides touch in the middle and the V points are side by side at the top. To finish off the gum wrapper heart, gently fold down the pointy corners in the back into a classic round heart shape. Your gum wrapper heart is complete.